Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aman Artworks. So today we are going to make this trendy DIY wall hanging. See how beautiful this look with all my photos. So let's start the video. So firstly we will require a cardboard sheet and now we will cut them out into flaps. We will require a total of 3 flaps and we will also require 2 small flaps for sticking these together. I hope the markings are clear in the video. And now let's just cover them with black sheet. It does not matter at the back if it's unfinished because it will go on the back side. And now let's just cover these big flaps. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more such art videos. So the flaps are ready now. Now we will require thread for hanging our photos. So measure the thread with the length of your flaps and cut it out. So for securing, I used black sheet with Fevicol. You can even use tape. Make sure that you stretch the thread tight so that it does not get loose. So one of our flap is now ready. We'll follow the same process on the other. So in the middle flap I added 2 strings so that I can hang more photos. And for the above one I left some space here so that I can write something. So I decided to write memories here. And now let's just paint it. And now let's just stick these together. Ensure that you use a lot of glue so that it sticks together and is strong enough to hold these flaps. So now our wall hanging is ready. See how beautiful it looks. Now let's just add these cute little wooden clips and some images of mine. And now it's ready to be hung on your beautiful walls. So I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.